In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spice up your documents by adding new fonts to LibreOffice Writer. Whether you're crafting a professional report, a creative presentation, or a heartfelt letter, the right font can really make your content stand out. So let's dive right into it. First things first, let's get started by opening LibreOffice Writer. You'll find its icon on your computer desktop or in your Applications folder. Give it a double click and you'll be launched into the Start Center of LibreOffice. Here, you'll want to select Writer Document, which is signaled by the neat little notepad icon. With a click of your mouse, your new blank document will be ready to welcome words and creativity. Now that we've landed in Writer, the next thing to do is take inventory of the fonts available to you. Click inside the document where you plan to start typing. You'll notice a toolbar at the top. One of the elements in this toolbar is the font name box, typically located around the top left area of your screen. Navigate to that box and give it a little scroll. You'll find a list of fonts that are currently installed on your system. All these options are ready for you to use. To test one out, simply place your cursor in the text area, select your preferred font from the drop-down list, and start typing away. Sometimes, though, the default fonts just don't cut it. That's when having the ability to add new fonts comes in handy. If you want to explore and expand your font library, you've got plenty of options online. Open up your web browser and embark on a font-finding adventure. There are some fantastic websites out there for downloading free fonts. Google Fonts, DaFont, and Font Squirrel are just a few popular choices. Once you've landed on one of these sites, browse through the myriad of fonts available until you find one that catches your eye. When you do, follow the on-screen instructions to download the font directly to your computer. Most sites will guide you through an easy process. Typically just a click on the download button and saving the file to your desired destination on your computer. And there you go. You now have a new font ready to be installed. Keep in mind that the installation process usually requires you to open the downloaded file and click Install, but that can vary. After installation, you'll want to restart LibreOffice Writer so it recognizes the new addition to your font collection. And just like that, you've added a new layer of personalization to your documents. Adding different fonts is a simple yet effective way to make your work more unique and engaging. Be sure to explore and experiment with different styles to find the perfect match for your project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video with more tips and tricks.